guys, today I'm hanging out at 336 21st Avenue South right here in Brookings. And I've got to tell you, this location, it's absolute gold. Let's check it out. Here, you're right in the heart of convenience. Need groceries? Less than 5 minutes away. Feel like stretching your legs? Parks and walking paths are practically in your backyard. Hospital visits or appointments? Easy, quick trips. No crosstown traffic headaches. Plus, you're close to shopping, restaurants, and SDSU events. Whether it's Jackrabbit football or catching a show at the Performing Arts Center. This is one of those spots where everything just works. You can spend more time enjoying life and less time in the car. Now, let's talk about the home. Built in 1965, this ranch home has over 2,200 finished square feet with 4 bedrooms, and 2 baths. You'll love the mix of beautiful wood flooring and brand new carpet with luxury vinyl plank. 3 main level bedrooms make daily living a breeze. And the lower level gives you even more space to work, play, or just kick back. So if you've been looking for a home that's got a great vibe, a fantastic layout, and a location that truly checks all the boxes, 336 21st Avenue might just be your next address. Reach out to one of the Brookings Home Team agents today for your personal showing. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.